Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Wait a minute. There we go. Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to use a pallet to make this toilet paper holder with some extra storage and even a place to put your phone when you need some entertainment in the bathroom. Let's check it out. So I can tell y'all, it's been a good minute since I've actually broke down a pallet, and I'm really only going to need this bottom half of the pallet, but well, I don't know, I'm just going to try to break it up. I'm gonna do the jigsaw, man. I want to figure out where the toilet paper is going to go. I've got this runner piece. I've got the toilet paper with the thing here. And this is going to need to squish in, so you actually got quite a bit of room to work with. Just mark that line. I'm actually going to straighten that line out. So I'll cut that, and I'll just use my jigsaw again because Rustic project don't care. There looks good. Oh yeah, that's plenty deep. I'm gonna glue and nail it on there. And I think since I'm gonna be nailing it from the back, it would probably be fine to just use screws because you're not gonna see it, but I haven't pounded some nails in a long time. Probable that these aren't completely even and that the toilet paper roll might not be completely even, but I think with a pallet project that's probably okay. It's tilted a little bit, but I mean, Rustic, man, you just put the word Rustic on there. Nobody ever judge you. Glue and some nails. Putting the bottom on. I also want to put a little shelf up in here. Mark length here. And then I'll put the little lip on there. Just make sure nothing falls out of it. I don't think I really have to worry about waiting for the glue to dry because it fits in there so tight. This one is a little more loose, so we'll clamp it. Is this one coat polyurethane. It's just water-based. I can't seem to find a brush anywhere that's not very good, but I think I'm just gonna do it the way you shouldn't do it and just use a rag to wipe it on. Get a brush for this. I shouldn't have to tell you that. Here's my toilet paper holder all done. I actually made one of these about a year or so ago, but what I was finding was we end up with a lot of crap on the bathroom counter. Even with the bathroom cabinet, stuff still seems to gather around, so I decided to replace this. I didn't even think about it, but it's not long enough for a phone, but that's whatever, dude. Here, Junior trying to get in. Look how close the door comes to hitting it. Isn't that wacky? You can't even get your finger between there. You certainly wouldn't have to use pallet wood to make this if you wanted to get some like 2x4s and some regular pine or something. You could do that and maybe stain it, or even burning it would be cool. If you liked this project and enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to Means Woodshop too, because I upload brand new woodworking videos every single Friday, and I have a follow-up to those projects every single Wednesday as well, so you click the notification bell so you do not miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.